a bird without a song, just sitting here in limbo, and I know it won't be long. I'm putting up resistance, but I know that my faith will lead me home. I'm just sitting here in limbo, waiting for the tide to flow. Sitting here in limbo, got some time to search my soul. I'm putting up resistance, but I know that my faith will lead me home. Just sitting here in limbo, waiting for the dice to roll. Sitting here in limbo, I got some time to search my soul. I'm putting up resistance, but I know that my faith will lead me home. Rye whiskey, rye whiskey, rye whiskey, I cry. If I don't get rye whiskey, I surely will die. Gonna go up on the mountain and build me a still. I'll sell you a gallon for a $5 bill. If the ocean was whiskey and I was a duck, I'd swim to the bottom and never come up. But the ocean ain't whiskey and I ain't no duck. I'll play the jack of diamonds and trust to my luck. Jack of diamonds, Jack of diamonds, I know that you'll hold. You filled both my pockets with silver and gold. Well, it's beefsteak when I'm hungry, rye whiskey when I'm dry, greenbacks when I'm hard up, Utah when I die. Well, my horses ain't hungry, they don't want your hay. Fare thee well, darling, I'll be on my way. And all I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like watching the puddles gather rain, and all I can do is just pour some tea for two, speak my point of view, but it's not sane. I I just want someone to say to me, I'll always be there when you wake. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today, so stay with me, I'll have it made. And I don't understand why I sleep all day. I start to complain that there's no rain, and all I can do is read a book to stay awake. It rips my life away, but it's a great escape. I just want someone to say to me,